Hello, students, and happy Friday. I just wanted to go over our assignment for today and kind of just walk you through what it is that we are doing. So we're going to be creating a one-pager. A one-pager is a visual representation with some text over what we just read, and we just finished the metamorphosis. We also watched the film. If you had issues watching the film, then you probably will want to do that before you begin this project. And I did link some different video options for you so that you can watch the film. All right, so let me bring my screen up here so that I can share with you. So in Teams, you will see that I have created an edit your own copy of your PowerPoint, and the PowerPoint looks like this. So a one pager is, I've given you a bunch of different templates. And then I've given you some qualities here that I'm looking for. You're going to want to try to have 5 of these qualities. So one is a border that somehow represents key themes and what you've read. 2 is an image with a quotation woven into or around it. This image should somehow represent what you consider to be the most important symbol in the text. 3 images are doodled words in a one corner section that represent the key characters from the text and perhaps show how they are affected by the events described in the text. Another option is images and quotations in one corner section that show the author's style of writing and the power of the language that's used. Images or words in one corner or section that show connections between the themes and ideas in the writing and what's going on in the world today. 3 important quotations from the text or words and images that show the significance of the setting in some way. So I have some tips for designing using insert and text box, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. This is kind of my my draft version. I started my one pager, so I have a border, and my border is the little bugs that we have, and then I've got kind of like working Gregor up here with a quote of, "Oh God, what a demanding job I've chosen." So if you want to be able to insert pictures, then you have a couple of different options. One is that you can use online pictures, which allows you to look up different pictures online. So if I type in, for example, bug over here, then I'm going to get some different kind of bugs. Okay, and maybe I really like that one. So if I click insert, it's going to pull it over here, and then I can switch it around. I can kind of put it over here into my box and resize it the way that I want to. Okay, so that is the way that we can insert images. You can adjust it in any way that you want. I'm going to make it so mine fits right into that little box and doesn't upset my text. And then if I want to be able to do some different things with my image, like you can remove the background of your image. And it will be, okay, is this what you want? And that's what I want. I want just that bug in that square. You can add different color and techniques, and this is all will come up under picture format up here. And then we also have the insert screen. And so insert will allow you to insert text boxes. So if you insert a text box, say I want to make a quote here, and I'm going to put, "Get away, you beast," from when Greet said that about her brother. And that kind of, for me, is a really important quote. And I can change this. I can change the font size. I can change the font color to be whatever I want it to be in any way that I want it to make it unique and different. Right? So you have some things that you can do to play around with it, right? Maybe I want to show a 1900s lady, because I want to have as an important character is kind of that symbol of a lady like Greet at the end. So I could look up different pictures of ladies in here. We've also got the picture of the lady in the fur coat that's from the beginning. Oops, okay. And so, I can play around with this and put like different pictures into here, send the pictures into the background. Now I have multiple ladies. So play around with it, have fun. This is about you being creative. If you don't like working with Microsoft Office and you want to use something different, then you can use Canva. Canva is an online tool, and all you have to do for this is go to the canva.com website. You'll sign up for an account. I already have an account. And then you can just create something. Either you could use a template and create it. You could just use something that's in a letter format. This will come up in a standard letter size, which is what I made your document. And then in here, same thing. So like if I search for bugs, I'm going to find a bunch of different bugs that maybe I like and maybe I want to use. You can also upload images. We could just cover this with all kinds of different bugs, and then I can put in different quotes that I want to use. This kind of looks like Gregor from the story. So I could do a bunch of different bugs like this, and I don't have to necessarily have it be within the constraints. And if you do that, then you just download it at the end and you can upload it to your teams. So you can use my template. This will allow you to edit your own copy, create your own template within it. You'll be able to see the thing that I created and use that as an example. This just needs to be turned into me no later than Monday at 11:59 p.m. Okay. If you have questions or concerns, please be sure to reach out. I know we had some issues with Teams yesterday, but we believe that all of those are resolved. So if you have questions, issues, problems, shoot me an email or send me a remind. Otherwise, have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you on the computer screen next week. Thank you so much.